Posting Instagram Reels manually on dozens of accounts. Sounds exhausting, right? What if you could upload Reels to 50 or even 100 Instagram accounts, fully automatically? In today's video, I'll show you how to do exactly that with MKT INSTA Auto Reels posting. MKT INSTA is an automation tool that helps you post Instagram Reels to multiple accounts at the same time. With MKT INSTA, you can upload Reels in bulk, manage 50 to 100 plus accounts, add captions, tags, and locations automatically, like and comment automatically after posting. Save hours of manual work every day. First, open MKT INSTA Go to Post function. Select Post Reels. Next, choose the folder that contains your Reels. Select your video folder. The software automatically loads all videos. In this example, I have 50 videos ready to post. Choose image size 16 to 9:16 original. Tag users. Add locations automatically. Auto-like. Comment after posting. Finally, select the Instagram accounts you want to use. Click Start. The software now uploads Reels automatically, no manual work needed. If you want to use MKT INSTA or need expert guidance, contact via WhatsApp or Telegram. All contact details are pinned below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next automation tutorial.